Welcome to the What's for Lunch writing activity using adjectives. So after you've watched the Khan Academy video about adjectives and what they are, now you're ready to start this writing activity. Your task is going to be to rewrite the school cafeteria menu twice. You're going to make one revision sound hideous appetizing and make the other sound like a gourmet meal from a 5-star restaurant. So the purpose of this is to change your writing from drab to fab using specific and descriptive adjectives or describing words. And remember to be creative. So I have an example of a very basic lunch menu, which says ground beef patty, potatoes, peas, white or chocolate milk. And so what I did was I took that lunch menu and rewrote it to make it sound really gross and disgusting by using specific adjectives. So here's my example. I said a greasy mound of chunky rat burger, gluey instant potatoes sure to plug the intestines, moldy comet green peas that you can use as marbles or BBs, and moo juice straight from the udder. So you can see that I used adjectives to add to my menu and make it sound really gross, and so that no one would ever probably want to eat this for lunch. So I used words like greasy, chunky, gluey, moldy, and just added a little bit more information to make it sound really disgusting. So that's the unappetizing version. My appetizing or good version looks like this. So it says a hefty quarter-pound of grass-fed beef cattle grilled especially for the hungry 7th grade student, smothered in savory brown mushroom gravy, accompanied by fresh green peas straight from the pod, and creamy grade-A russet Burbank potatoes swimming in fresh dairy butter. Wash it down with a helping of fresh cold milk for healthy bones. So again, I have the exact same menu, but by utilizing different adjectives, I have now made my lunch menu sound really good and like it's from a 5-star restaurant. So those are the two examples. Feel free to pause the video or rewind and go backwards if you want to see examples again. So now your task, what you are going to do is you are going to take today's lunch as an example, which is chicken patty on a bun, tater tots, baked beans, broccoli, mandarin oranges, cookie, and white milk. And so in the Google form that is attached on the Google Classroom assignment, you are going to rewrite this lunch menu two different ways. You're going to write an unappetizing version, just like my example, and you're going to write an appetizing version. So I'm excited to see what you write and what you put together, and let me know if you have any questions or need any help.